Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another favorite planner accessory video. This is something that I have actually only currently been doing. I've been doing a lot of journaling in this planner. This is my Webster's Pages. I don't remember what the name of this planner is, but this is just a personal planner from Webster's Pages in this sort of nudie, beigey color. I've been journaling a lot in this lately, and I've been using quite a lot of washi. Now sometimes it is a little bit annoying to bring out my whole washi collection, especially because I have so much. I have a ton of washi, so it's a little bit difficult to sort of bring all of them out and then sort of choose the color that I want when I'm journaling, and then taking whatever washi and then putting it in my journal. So lately I have been doing this little DIY, I guess you can say. But I have been making these, I guess it's a DIY, but these are some washi cards that I have been making, just so it's a little bit easier for me to sort of grab some washi when I need it really quickly. I don't have to take out all of my washi rolls in order to use some. So I have just been making these little sampler cards. I've been making these cards credit card size-ish, and then punching holes on them on the other side just so I can fit them nicely in my planner if I want to. So this is just what the inside of my planner looks like, and I can snap these guys in here because I just cut a little slit in them, and then I can use them like that. So I have done all of that for all of these washis. I just kind of wrapped it around some leftover acetate that I had. After I made these, I realized I ran out of acetate and I don't really have any more. So I did some DIY. I just went into kind of like my makeup collection, and I found some like of the plastic packaging that some of these come in. So I just cut out little credit card sized cards like this. Like this was from the packaging of a perfume that I picked up, so you can see all of the, you can see like the brand and stuff like that, but if I'm going to be putting washi over it, you're not even going to notice it. So what I did was cut all of these out into credit card size pieces, and really this can go into any ring bound system that you like. I cut them into credit card size pieces. You can cut it into whatever size you want, and then I just measured out the holes of these rings and then punch them and then cut a little slit in them, so they're similar to that of an arc bound system or a happy planner system, just so I can easily pop these in here if I want to. So honestly, this is one of the easiest DIYs that you can do. This obviously isn't my own idea. A lot of people have been doing this before me, but I thought it was just a genius idea, especially if you have a lot of washi like me. So today I'm going to quickly do an example of one. I do have some washi here that I would like to use. And like I said, it is super easy to do. I actually think I punched all of these things wrong. I think I punched all of these cards a little awkward, but that's okay because I can always punch them again. So basically what you do after having one of these cards, I think I'll use one of these ones because they're easier to see on the white background. You just choose whatever washi you want and then just wrap them around. Let's see which ones I want to use. I do like these as well though. Just put them in a nice, aesthetically pleasing way. And I'm just going to go ahead and start wrapping. Again, this is a super easy DIY. Like, I don't even need to be showing this on video, but I thought it was a little fun and a little bit different. You just take the washi and wrap it around a couple of times. And that way, so when you're journaling or when you want to use it in your planner, you can just rip off pieces from this card rather than have to go fish around for the full washi. I also really like this DIY just because you can see your whole washi collection all at once, and you don't have to like dig around to remember which ones you have. Because if I don't see it, I probably won't be using it. I usually start wrapping this around the bottom of the washi card rather than where I punched it, just because If you need a little bit more room, you can still go over the card rather than go over the bottom of the card and have it kind of stick out. You can still go over the holes if you want. Gosh, this washi is so cute. It's so bright and spring-like. It's making me a little bit hungry though. Pretty much the easiest DIY ever. And you can make this card any size you want. I just like having these like card size so I can slip them into my personal planner. Obviously you can put these into A5 planners or whatever planners that you have as well. Also, if you have sort of like a zipper pocket in the back of your planner, you can also slide those in there. You can always use credit cards as well. You don't need to even punch them. If you make these a little bit smaller than credit card size, you can slip these into those card holders that people like putting in their planners. But you have to make the card a little bit smaller than credit card size because obviously the washi will add a little bit more bulk. But honestly, these little washi sampler cards have saved so much time for me. It is so much easier for me to see all of my washi at once rather than having to look through all of like the little washi tubes and stuff like that. I'm literally going to be doing this with all of my washi collection. I still have quite a few cards here. Hopefully this will be enough for my whole washi collection. You don't need to be all fancy and use like acetate for this. I just had some leftover acetate from when I was making dashboards for my planners, but as you can see, you can use any sort of like plasticky material. It doesn't even need to be clear. You can upcycle something and use them as washi cards because they're so simple and easy. You can even, if you have clear plastic like this, you can do little drawings on it. I think that would be really cute. I think I saw some of those or something like that on AliExpress. And even if you don't want to punch holes in your washi cards, you can even just stick them in the front of your planner like this, or even in one of the pockets like that, and it'll still be super cute and functional. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know it was super simple and pretty much self-explanatory, but I think this is such a genius idea that I had to share it with you guys. I think that is it for this week's video. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!